Hi there, and today we want to look at how we can access the Nkumba University learning environment. Basically, that means that we are going to look at the ways or the first steps, and that is basically logging into the system. Nkumba University e-learning environment is accessible through Nkumba University website, that is www.nkumbauniversity.ac.ug. While there, then you can move to the e-learning portal where we find the e-learning environment. At the e-learning environment, we do access the learning management system by, first of all, providing a username, that is, for example, Wevuze, and then the password is that. Once we are done with that, then we click at this button here to help us go ahead and sign into the learning environment. Now, unfortunately, we do have some people or some of us actually victims of such kind of a scenario where you cannot log in simply because you do not have a username and password already onto this environment. Now, for you to get a username and password, these are very simple steps you go through. You click at create a new account, and under a new account, you give us your proposed username that you want to use for your learning management environment. So I'm providing a username as Wevuze, and everything should be in capital letters. Then I provide my password, which should be a mix of capital letters and small letters, characters, and numbers. And minimum, it should be 8 characters long. Then I can go ahead and provide more details. For example, I provide my email address. Okay, that one. I provide the same email address. Then my first name probably is Joseph, is Wevuze, okay. And my surname is Gisache. My city, Entebbe, city is Entebbe. And also my country is Uganda. Then I go ahead and click at create my account. Now once I have clicked at create my account, now the system sends an email to my personal email address. Now I want to go ahead and access my email to make sure that I am able to see that email and probably verify my details. Okay, now checking into my email as I have just mentioned, then I find an email coming to me from the e-learning officer letting me that I should confirm my details from using this particular link. So I simply click at the link, and once I've clicked at the link, then we'll go and verify my email address. Now, at this moment in time, I am able and authorized to access the e-learning environment. Now, at this level, if you all look through here, that is one of the ways I can actually use to access the e-learning environment. The other, as we said, is for you to get a username and password from the ICT team, and which ICT team may either include the e-learning officer, who can be reached at elearning.nkumbauniversity.ac.ug, or just Wevuze at nkumbauniversity.ac.ug. Now, once I'm in here, or once you're in here, then you can actually go ahead and look for different course units for you to enroll yourself into those course units. So the next thing that we are going to look at, ladies and gentlemen, is to be able to enroll ourselves into some of the courses that we are supposed to take as students. Now, onto this section here, we find the search courses area next to the name or my name. So I click in the search section and type the course name, environmental Environmental management, I want to use that. Then I click at search the course. I'll get the course here, and then I'll be able to enter the course. So now when I enter the course, it provides me with an option to enroll myself. And for me to be part of this course, then I must enroll myself into this course by simply clicking at enroll me. And once this is done, then I am part of this particular course. And like any other application, like any other place where you go to first time, you always expect to have a tour of the place. So this interface here is helping me to give me a tour around the system that I am supposed to be using. If I don't want to go through the tour, then I simply have to end tour and then I am in. So currently, this is the course that I have just enrolled myself into. This course has a number of resources, and all these resources are accessible to me as a student. If I have any other course, then I can also enroll myself into any other course by simply going back to the search courses section, look for another course, maybe French, and then I click at search. The system should be able to search for me the French class and any other French related lesson. And then at this moment, I simply click enter this course. Like we did previously, I go ahead and enroll myself into this course by clicking that enroll me. And the moment that is done, then boom, I'll be enrolled into the French class, which is right here before me, for me to be able to go through these particular resources as they have been put for me as a student. Now, allow me to stop here as we move into the next session of a particular of learning how to navigate through these resources ably and efficiently for us to be able to get the best out of our discussions. Thank you.